In this circle, the chord PQ is parallel to its tangent ABC. The distance between these two is 8 and the radius of the circle is 5. We are supposed to find the length of this chord. Let us join the center of the circle with this point of contact B. OB is also radius, so its length will be 5. OB is also perpendicular on ABC because radius through the point of contact is always perpendicular on the tangent. Let us extend BO radius so that it touches PQ at point T. Because the tangent and the chord are parallel, so this will be perpendicular on PQ as well. So this means BOT is also 8. So that means OT is 3. Let's now join O and Q. This is also radius, so its length will be 5 as well. Now OTQ is a right angled triangle, so in right angled triangle OTQ, OQ square will be equal to OT square plus TQ square because of Pythagoras theorem. This implies 5 square is equal to 3 square plus TQ square, which means TQ square is equal to 25 minus 9, which is equal to 16. So this implies TQ is equal to 4. Now we also know that T is midpoint of PQ. This means TQ and PT are equal because OT bisects the chord. So this implies PQ is 2 times TQ, which will be equal to 2 times 4, that is 8 is the answer. Now if you really like this tutorial, then please share it with your friends and your classmates. Thanks for watching Mathemafia.